And it is gorgeous. I haven't been up to the Colorado. I haven't crossed over to California yet. But from here on a sunny day, that looks about as clear as it's going to get, man. Beautiful turquoise blue, mountains behind it. Let's see if we can find another view around here.
Listen, I understand it was my idea to ride through an old abandoned mine, but for gosh sakes, can I please find some level ground? Everything is either steep up or steep down. It's just killing me.
That was steep. Tell you what, this loose boulder, I don't know, they're not boulders, so I don't know what to call them, fist size or 2-fist size boulders, is definitely an interesting surface. So you have this loose sand, a bunch of broken down pea gravel or broken down rock on top of it, which is loose, and then the smaller boulders on top of it, and it just gets slippery. Definitely the second big view of the day. Gonna have to take a look at this. It is so windy up here. Good Lord. Oh. Check this out, man. Keep that close so you can hear me. Very, very rough mountains down here with a Lake Havasu quartzite side of the Colorado there. Absolutely stunning. We passed, I rode past a dam right up here. I think it's in Parker, and another dam right here, bypass dam. Actually, I might be able to see it right there, way off in the distance. This is stunning. Really what I'm trying to achieve here is multiple things. I had some time to trailer the bike over here, so gorgeous area, gorgeous. So nice to be over here, see this side of the country. Gives me a chance to practice on a bunch of surfaces that I haven't really been on for some longer distance tracks we're looking at in the next year, which is really important. If we're going to do the entire Transamerica Trail, which is something I want to book, and a few others. I don't want that to be the first time I'm touching surfaces like this. You can see the sand. I don't know if you can really see the sand until I dig down, but there's sand and dirt on top of broken down pebble, and then on top of that is these larger boulders, which can get very big, and everything is moving independently, so it is nice to kind of come and feel that. With that being said, let's take a look at the view as I steam up the mask. Alright, we gotta leave the bike for a second, take a drink, and go enjoy this view. Some rough rocking over here though. Let me say that again. This is some rough walking over here though. Damn. That is a long way down. This has been a fantastic ride, man. You just don't get this on the East Coast. Now, somebody I've been following, another YouTuber, I think in Pennsylvania, did a coal mine route with his Himalayan and really liked it. I'll have to check that route out. Oh my gosh, the desert is definitely getting driven dirty. Look at that. Wow, we need a bath driven. That will be on the list. You want to be steep. This is about as steep as it gets. Oof, duh. I really gotta show that crap on GoPro better. I know I gotta keep my speed up on that stuff a little better, and I'm trying. I'm getting better.
Listen, I'm going to tell you guys right now, if the desert keeps delivering with these epic rides and views like this, I may not go back to South Carolina. Don't get me wrong, I love riding in the Carolinas, Tennessee, and Georgia up in the mountains, Trans-America Trail over there. It's kind of my happy place. I love the forest. There is something crazy special about these desert rides. Very, very addicting. I don't know what's going to happen.
Look at that. Final viewpoint of the day. I actually think I can see from way up here Parker, Arizona, and the second highest view, let's see, I believe over this direction is the dam. It's quite a ways away, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it through the GoPro, but Colorado looks absolutely stunning. Alright, should be our final view, guys. Let's go back down. It's a long ways down. It is steep, and it is all of this crap. So we're going to play it safe. Again, out here riding solo in the desert, and get back and maybe crack open a beer or coffee. I feel like maybe a coffee. Let's see it back down. So we got ABS turned off, and let's have the entertainment begin.
Listen, I promise you guys, this is way steeper than it looks. I know how it comes across on camera. Look over in the left-hand side of the screen. That next corner is like straight down. This will be interesting.
Let the engine brake us a bit. Just like that. Oh, that was squirrely. Those large boulders just moved right away to sand underneath. Oh, Class B fun. That's what I am all about. We got to end up way below those RVs, so we got some work to do. Alright, for the most part we made it back down in one piece and alive. That shit was steep. What a beautiful day. Guys, this is something that I do not see every day, an abandoned mine that you can go to the top of. So I'm gonna bring you along and have some fun. If you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe. It would do me a big favor if you could subscribe. Get this guy up. Hit the little bell button, you know, bing. Come along, let's have some adventures. About 70% of the people who watch my videos haven't subscribed, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button, come along, and we will see you on the next adventure.